confused about when to have timed intercourse? This is actually the number one question that we get all the time is when should I be having timed intercourse? And then we get a lot of questions around how do I know when I'm ovulating? I have to tell you, the answer is much more simple than you think. My name is Nicole Stern. I'm the founder of Fertilista, and I help women just like you get pregnant either naturally or with integrative solutions along with their doctor. We always get asked, how do I know when I should be having timed intercourse? One of the things we see all the time is clients are waiting until they get a positive on their OPK kit. This is not good. I have to tell you, a lot of times it can take sperm up to 3 days to meet your egg. And if you're having timed intercourse around your positive, you have about a 12 to 24 hour window to get pregnant. You have that small window for the sperm to meet the egg. It's not enough time. I want you to err on the side of being overly cautious and having timed intercourse too early. So this means if you are having ovulation around day 14 every month, you are going to want to start having timed intercourse on day 10. Let's say you get your big fat positive on your OPK kit on day 14. I want you to be having timed intercourse day 10, day 12, day 14. Let's say you don't know when you're ovulating. Let's say it's not quite clear on your OPK kit. I want you to start having timed intercourse when you start to feel some cramping or twinges mid-cycle. And if that's day 8 or day 9, that's when it's go time. If you start to see cervical mucus, that clear, stretchy mucus at day 7 or day 9 or day 11, that's when you know you should be having timed intercourse. That is go time. Even if you get your positive on your OPK kit, let's say day 15 or day 16, if you start getting cramps and twinges and clear stretchy mucus on day 12, that's when you need to be having timed intercourse. A lot of times women come to us and they're saying, I think I need to go for IUI or IVF. And when we really dig in a little bit deeper around when they're having sex every month, it's too late. They've missed their window. They're waiting too late, too close to ovulation. Just adjusting it a few days early can make a huge impact as to whether or not you get a positive this month. And if you have no idea when you're ovulating, then I want you to have timed intercourse day 10, day 12, day 14, day 16, day 18. Job done. That's a lot of timed intercourse. Ideally, we'd love to have a better sense of when you're having your ovulation, but if you absolutely don't know, then I want you to have it every other day from day 10 to day 18 or day 20. That's 4 or 5 times. It's a lot. You do not need to be having timed intercourse every single day. That's going to be hard on you. It's going to be hard on your relationship. Okay? And another thing that you need to know is once you get your positive, you're going to ovulate within 12 to 24 hours. If that egg is not fertilized within 24 hours, it starts to actually disintegrate. So if you know you're ovulating day 14, day 15, there is no reason that you should be having timed intercourse after day 15 or 16. So don't kill yourself. Don't kill your partner. Think about having timed intercourse a little bit earlier in your cycle. Think about having it every other day until you ovulate. And if you don't know when you ovulate, that's when you should be having it a little bit more, like we talked about. My name is Nicole Stern, founder of Fertilista. I hope this was helpful. Err on the side of having timed intercourse too early. Err on the side of having it every other day instead of every day. And don't beat yourself up. Don't keep going if it is more than 24 hours later than your ovulation. The window of time is closed. Job done. I hope you have your positive this month. Connect with us so you can learn more about tips and tricks to help you with your journey.